not quite out of hurricane season yet, but you mentioned how unique this storm is. It's one in that we've not seen so far this strong in this capacity to make landfall in an area like Jamaica in the most recent years. Actually, satellite radar, you could see that clear defined eye wall. That just kind of shows you the signature of this storm. It's very large, but it's also very destructive and dangerous. It's still about just over 200 kilometers away from Kingston, Jamaica. This afternoon into the evening, though, it continues to spill a lot of the cloud and whip around those waves. So again, look at the sea surface temperatures over very, very warm waters between 29, 30, 31 degrees Celsius. That's exactly why we've seen rapid intensification of this storm. I'll show you the track because it is expected to move very, very slowly towards the north. And I mentioned slow movement because that actually is also allowing this storm to even reach dangerous criteria because of how slow moving it is. The main concern is going to be the devastating flooding as it almost stalls over Jamaica. We're expecting landfall sometime late tonight, early tomorrow morning in around Jamaica. Quite possibly a direct landfall, weaken very slightly, but still maintain major hurricane status as it tracks into parts of southern Cuba sometime Tuesday night, early Wednesday. Thereafter, we continue to track it over parts of the Bahamas where we have widespread hurricane watches in effect. We're expecting hurricane conditions, if not tropical storm force winds, over these islands. And then fast forward closer to the end of the week into the weekend, big question, another landfall in parts of Bermuda. But ahead of that, we're closely watching for the devastating impacts into parts of Jamaica. That's up first, and that again is what we're going to be closely watching for. Rainfall estimates anywhere between 15 to 30 inches of rain in parts of Jamaica. That's roughly between 300 to 800 millimeters of rainfall locally. So we'll continue to monitor this as we get into the next 24 to 48 hours.